Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how can you set up an affiliate campaign using your Go High Level store so you can have affiliates promoting your products and commissions, and that way you generate more sales. This is going to be really helpful for people who already have a store in Go High Level because this will create an extra stream of sales for you. You can reach a much wider network and of course make much more money or sales at the end of the day. So let's dive into our Go High Level sub account and see how we can set it up. All right, so I'm in my Go High Level sub account, and under sites and stores, I already have a luggage store set up, which looks like this. So I have these three products on Go High Level, which are also connected to my Stripe. So we have these three products. Now what we want is have an affiliate campaign, and each of those affiliates should get a link to promote our website or products. And if they generate a sale through that link, we should be able to give them some compensation. So we're going to put that structure in place. So let's go back here real quick, and we're going to head over to marketing here. And then affiliate manager, we're going to click on campaign. Then we'll click on add here. Now you can see under select source for the affiliate campaign, we're able to choose the store from here. So we'll do that real quick. And then from the drop down, we'll select it from here. And then it also gives us an option to what will be the default page for the link that the affiliates will get. So I think product list is probably what makes more sense. We should not be sending them to cart or checkout right away. So product list is going to be more helpful. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see the list of all the products that I have currently in my store. So now here you have an option to exclude any product if you want from the affiliate campaign. So any product that is listed here, there will be a compensation structure in place. So if your affiliate generates a sale through their link on that specific product, they will be compensated an X amount of percentage on that. So with that being said, I'm going to keep all the products here for now and then proceed to the next step. Then under the default commission for products, we have two options. So either you could do a percentage or flat. I'm going to do a percentage or maybe like 10%. Of course, this is something you can customize based on your use case. And then you can also customize commission by product. So it will again give you a list of all the products that you kept in the last step. And then you're able to decide a custom percentage of commission for each product. So let's say if I have less margins on maybe this one, I could do 5% on this one, and then I'm going to keep 10% on all the other ones. So you're able to customize commissions for each product, which is really helpful. With that being done, we're going to click on save. And then under advanced commission settings, you're able to set a tier of the campaign. So it is up to you. I usually like to go with one tier, so I'm just going to keep that here. And then we're going to proceed to the last step. Now here you can define a campaign description if you want. And here you can also assign affiliate. So I have a couple of them here. I'm just going to add both. So they are added in this campaign. And then under additional settings, you can customize the email template or the cookie life if you want. For now, I'm just going to finish and publish the campaign. Once the campaign is created, I'm going to head over to affiliates here. And I'll just do a test for one of the affiliates. What does it look like if they promote a product and there's a sale? We'll just see if everything is working nicely. So let's go to the affiliate section here. Once it has opened up, I'm just going to open one of these affiliates from here. And then I'll just select campaign 4, which is the one that I created. And once I scroll down, I'm able to copy their link. So I'm just going to open that in an incognito window. And we're going to do a test purchase to see how that works. All right, so we have the store open now. I'm just going to go ahead and purchase this one right here. So we'll click on that, then click on add to cart, view cart, and then I'm going to check out. Now I'll just add in my details here. And once I've added in my details, I'm just going to click on make payment here, and we should be able to go through. All right, so once it has gone through, let's check out the affiliate and see if this amount or commission has reflected under his profile. So I'm just going to go back to Go High Level here and then just refresh this page. And as it refreshes, you can see that there is a revenue of $150, which was the amount for the product. And we owe $23 to this affiliate. So you can see it is working quite effectively. And again, you can use this kind of setup to promote your Go High Level store as well. And you can decide which products do you want in the affiliate campaign and decide custom commissions. And when the affiliates promote these products, you're able to reach a much wider audience. You're able to give them commissions and generate sales on your end. That was about this video. I hope you found it valuable. If you have any questions, please reach out in the comments below and we'll get back to you.